What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing a Cusco alternator cover. I think this is for like 08 STI Plus. Let's just take a look at it. As you can see, it's obviously blue because it's Cusco. It does bring Japanese instructions and some hardware. And if you look, you can see that it's Cusco engraved. So let's open it up. It's supposed to go right there. Looks like it will fit pretty nicely, hopefully. Oh, awesome. It's already scratched. I probably did that just now, but whatever. That part won't show, thankfully. So let's look at the instructions. Here's the hardware. Oh, it brings some pretty nice bolts and everything. Little adapter, I guess we'll see how that works. And here are the instructions, obviously in Japanese, so I guess we'll have to go based off pictures for this one. So let's just get to it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the regular alternator cover, which is a 10mm bolt. Should just be one on the passenger side. Okay, so after you get that, just pop it up, and then you can just pop this up and it'll come right off. Alright. So next up, according to the instructions, is to remove this little prop thingy. I'm gonna need a screwdriver, so I got a screwdriver, so let's just pop this up. Alright, so you know what, actually just push it down. That's actually for better, make sure it's stabby stuff, like I just did. There we go. So now after that, we have to get one of the adapters. I can't read this, but it shows we do need to put an adapter there, so let's get on that. Okay, so this brings two adapters. Brings a short stubby one and a long one. Assuming the short stubby one does not go here. It would make sense if it was this one, but how the hell do we put it on? Let's find this out. Maybe it does go up. Oh no, it goes on like this. There we go. No. Does it go on like this? Crap. So I figured out the orientation, so it goes up like this. And I'm assuming the short stubby one goes here. Yeah, that looks like it lines up pretty good. So, put this in there. But then, how's it supposed to be? Okay, that makes sense. Wow. I'm a little bit slow, guys. Bear with me. Kind of cold outside. So now you put this bolt through here, and you put the nut underneath it like so. There we go. Then just hand tighten it, and then just leave it like that for now, so you can adjust it, make sure everything fits correctly. There you go. Alright, so just leave it like that for now. Now, for the other side, put the other bracket, because I just had it, here it is. So we put the longer bracket here, and we put the original bolt I came with also in there. So let me get that. So I made a mistake, so it doesn't use the Allen belt, you're going to use the bolt, you're going to use the one that comes with it. And make sure you get an Allen key, because definitely need to tighten it. This is a 5. That helps you out to size 5. So just bolt it down in there. Just leave it like that for now, because we still do need to. Now I tighten the other side. We also need to check and adjust to make sure that this fits the way you like it. So let's get the cover and see how it fits. Okay, so we got the cover now. It looks like it's going to fit pretty well. Let's just try to see. Should probably go on the bolts first. That would make sense. Well, that's good enough. Just checking to see how it looks. Come on, go in. Yeah, there you go, little buddy. Alright. That looks to be pretty good. It's pretty nice. Alright, so let's take it out and tighten everything down now. Now, in order to tighten this down, this is a size 12 bolt. Just straighten it up a little bit. And then just tighten it. Try not to tighten it too much because, yeah, it should be good right there. And make sure that I still stay straight because it could turn and then that'll mess everything up. Where's my little Allen key now? Here it is. Then make sure you tighten this down more. To be nice and tight. Come on, there you go. Don't really have an issue finding the hole, but in this case I do, so whatever. Should be good enough. Then make sure put it back on there, line it up. Put the bolt in there. I have to say though, the attention to detail on this is amazing. The blue's cool to begin with, and then the bolts are like really good quality. It just sucks that it's an Allen head, because, or hex head, whatever you want to call it. Because if it was, let's see, this one doesn't really want to go in there. Gotta move it over a little bit. Alright. Let's see if it should go in there. Nope. Alright, just going to take it out and put it just like out here. Nope. Sure, I guess you put it in the perfectly because you don't want to force it in there. Alright, so this one should be good. There you go. Damn, I just had that doesn't want to go in there. What the heck? Sick. Alright. Sick. Okay, cool. Make sure that doesn't happen to you. Okay, so now I figured out the issue. This thing is adjustable. So, let me take a look. Hold on. This test fitted. Okay. So now, if the holes should match up evenly, and they do, perfect. So now you could just tighten it down. So make sure you get a 12mm open ended and socket wrench and just tighten it down. Make sure it's nice and tight. There you go. And now everything should fit nicely. I say should because I haven't had the best of luck. To take out the whole entire engine cover. Sorry, heat shield at the bottom to get this on. Because as you saw, I lost one of my bolts. So now, let's take a look. This one's there, it's good. Down, put the other bolt in there. Yeah. Nice and tight. There you go, nice and good. Alright, tighten it down. You don't want to tighten too tight because this is like, I don't know what type of metal this is, but it feels kind of like aluminum here. It's very light, so I don't want it to warp or bend. So just nice detail.